Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb get on and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb get on is to continue doing something, especially with more effort or in more of a hurry than previously. This meaning is also commonly heard as get on with included. Two colleagues get carried away in conversation during working hours. Ha ha ha! That was a good joke. I really should get on now. I've loads to do. During the business meeting, the group gets sidetracked. Let's leave that discussion for another day and get on with the matter at hand. Meaning two of get on is to get along with somebody. She is really enjoying her new job. I love working here. I get on so well with everybody. One of her colleagues asks her why she left her previous job. So, why did you leave? They seem like a great company. They are. I just didn't get on very well with my manager, and that put a strain on my work. Meaning three of get on is to grow old. This is commonly heard in informal situations. He had to give up playing sports because of his age. I missed the days where I could run laps around the field. I'm getting on a bit now, though. I'm out of breath going up the stairs sometimes. The CEO has decided to step down. After much consideration, I think it best that I step down from my role as CEO, as I'm getting on and I'd like to hand things over to someone younger. Meaning four of get on is to perform or progress. This is used in terms of achievement or working. A few weeks after they took on a new employee, the manager asks the team leader about him. So, how is Adrian getting on? Oh, he's been brilliant. He's really hit the ground running. After she left the interview, she called her mum. Hi, Mum. How are you? I'm good. How did you get on at your interview? Did it go well? The sales record holder was headhunted by another company. The manager arranges a meeting with the team. He's a big loss to the company, but we can get on perfectly fine without him. So let's look back on what we've covered. Get on can mean to continue doing something, especially with more effort or in more of a hurry than previously. Get on with it. We need it finished by 2 p.m. To get along with somebody. I get on with everyone. I'm a people person. To grow old. My best years are behind me. I've got on a bit. To perform or progress. How is everybody getting on? I haven't seen you guys in ages. Where did you hear the phrasal verb get on? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.